Right, so now this is a continuation video for previous execution of the sensors and message alert and the time limit and the format and enrolling, and now we are going to showing the exit from this so-called sensors. So let us see. Right, so something is so now we'll demonstrating the counting way also. So let us see. So the employee 1 is entering. So let me show the project name, and after that it has to display the temperature. Then only the project starting executing the instructions, and once the employee ID is detected, right, access 1 granted, as well as I'll place my finger as employee 2. And if is there any like abnormality detected, this I'm showing the LPG gas sensor input, gas alert. Now we'll get only the gas alert message, and also the exhaust fan got switched on. Right, we got the message because the employees are there, and also employee ID overtime and sending SMS because the time is already running in the system. Okay, and now we got the message about the overtime, and now we need to count that the persons. So the person is exiting. So here the thing is, when it is showing the temperature data, sending time because it's doing some work. So after the showing the message here, so we need to check for the person counting, so exiting. So now after the person exited, so it is showing all employees left, and now we'll get the message alert of employee ID. And right, this is the message, all employees left, you can shut down. So while all employees, after the all employees left, the exhaust fan will be off, and also the oxygen tanker will be the neutral position. And coming to this ThingSpeak, so let us see this. The so-called data will be uploading to our ThingSpeak. So these are the ThingSpeak data directly uploaded. So here the gas alert is placed at 1 high alert, and this is a temperature, this is a previous data. So in order to download this, just go to data import and export, and here just do what I'm saying only, because don't do other options. Go with the download, and once the download is successfully completed, we'll get the CSV file. So the CSV file is comma separated value format. It can directly lead to the Excel sheet. So there we'll get the entry IDs along with the date and time. So this is the date and time, and entry ID is how many data is entered till now, and this one is temperature, and just follow the notation from the graph. And now I want to clear the old data. Just go to channel settings next, and here only do clear channel. So just I'm clearing the channel, right, and after that just confirmation done. And after only the clear channel, I'm repeating, don't do other things. And now go to private view. Just you can access private view, channel settings, and data import export. And after going to the private view, there the old data was erased, and wait for 10 seconds. So in that we'll get the new data is going to be uploading to our ThingSpeak directly. So we can see that the sensors data along with details and time also, depending on the fingerprint reading capacity, and also based on one more thing, based on your data of your mobile phone provided from your through the hotspots. So based on the net speed you are providing to the kit, it can upload the faster network service, and data will be uploaded to the fast. Right, we got the new data here, the live data, right. So now the sensors are 0 0. So here we can place the temperature increasing as well as the CO level increment by showing some CO2. Okay, and that's all about this. And as we discussed the pin connections and all, so coming to this, the each and every push button coming with 10k pull up resistor in order to inform to the pi 0. So when the switch is pressed, it will give a 0. When it is not pressed, it will give a 1. and also buzzer. So the buzzer board come with a transistor because the Raspberry Pi can't switch on the buzzer directly. So by making use of this transistor, we are going to on and off the buzzer. And this is the breadboard in order to distribute the power supply of 5 volts to the all the other modules, including the GSM and all. So here we have the directly hardware UART only one, that is 1415, that was given to the fingerprint module, and now we are making use of another like USB, that is OTG. Through OTG we are going to connect the GSM modem, that is SIM 900A, to the Raspberry Pi Zero W through this OTG cable. So from here we are going to convert the TTL logic to the USB logic, and from the OTG it was given to the micro USB data, and from there through USB 0 ports Pi 0 is read the data from this GSM module are sending the message, and remaining all are digital output. Along with the servo motor is a PWM controlled, so we can enable the software PWM inside a Pi 0W. And here also same buzzer board used to on and off this exhaust fan. So to the transistor we are going to on this exhaust fan, right?